जून हो संवसारीक सायकल दीस म्हूण मनयतात. हो दीस मनोवपा खातीर इमॅजिन पंजीम स्मार्ट सिटी डेव्हलपमेंट पणजे महानगरपालिका हांच्या जोड पालवान 3 जून सकाळी 7 वरांचेर सायक्लोथॉनचे आयोजन केलां. पणजेच्या गार्सिया द ऑर्ता सावन सायक्लोथॉनाक सुरवात जातली आनी ह्या कार्यावळीचे उक्तावण भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांच्या हस्तुकी जातले. ह्या कार्यावळीचे मुखेल आकर्षण अभिनेत्री पंदना पाल्ली आनी आदलो हॉकीचो खेळगडो जगदीप सिंग आसतले. ह्या सुवाळ्यात सरकारी, पोलीस, अग्निशमन दलाचे अधिकारी तशेंच शालेय विद्यार्थी भाग घेतले, अशी माहिती इमॅजिन पंजीम स्मार्ट सिटी डेव्हलपमेंटची सहाय्यक व्यवस्थापक निकिता गडकर आनी महानगरपालिकेचो आयुक्त आग्नेल फर्नांडीस हांणी दिली.
Two special events that we are having in the city of Panjim. As you know, the city of Panjim has been quite active and vibrant in the last few months. We've been in a host of activities, different kind of activities. Now, this activity pertains to the World Bicycle Day, which is scheduled on Friday, the 3rd of June. On this particular day, we'll be having a program in the morning scheduled at 7 o'clock. Where a number of participants will be taking part. This event has been organized by the Smart City Corporation in collaboration with the CCP. And we have some host of celebrities also who are taking part. Among them also are the government officials, police officials, fire officials, students, and various citizens from all walks of life will be taking part in this event.
That this is the third year in a row that we are organizing the cycling event in the city. But this time on the occasion of World Bicycle Day, that is on 3rd of June, in association with Corporation of the City of Panaji, we are organizing the Cyclothon event, which is under the initiative called Cycles for Change Challenge, launched by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs under Smart Cities Mission. We are expecting around 300 participation, like from citizens, along with city leaders, police and fire and government officials. We also have a celebrity on board, Ms. Pandana Pali, a multi-talented artist from Telangana, to participate in this event, along with Mr. Jagdeep Singh. He is an ex-hockey player. Honorable Minister UD Shri Vishwajit Rane and IGP of Goa Shri Ombir Singh Bishnoi have been invited as a guest of honors.